Hey guys, how you doing? This is Juan with Liberty Graphic Designs, and today we got a very exciting video. Don't go anywhere. So you guys know that at Liberty Graphic Designs, we used to do embroidery, not anymore because we got rid of the machine. We don't have the embroidery machine anymore. That was sold last week. And unfortunately, or kind of sad, the screen press, we're selling it today. So there'll be no more screen printing at Liberty Graphic Designs. This is our last job that we did. Funny thing is that this screen right here is actually one of the original screens that I started my screen printing long time ago, back in 2006 when I started doing screen printing. I kept this screen and it's been with me since then. And just when I was finishing this job, the glue gave way. So let's rip it. Man, I caught myself. That's what I get. That's what I get for selling my screen printing. But again, so I ripped it because the glue just gave way. I mean, this screen right here is at least 17 years old. Some of you are not even that old. But we're gonna keep it here. I'm gonna keep that screen because again, I started screen printing, or that's one of the original screens when I started screen printing. The new owners for this press are coming in about 2 to 3 hours. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start taking everything apart. The machine will remain the same as it is right now. I cannot take it apart because the people that are buying it, they want to test it. They want to see that everything, you know, that flows nice and easy, which it does. That the plan or the carousel spins the way it's supposed to, and it does. Everything works perfectly. Conveyor dryer works. Everything is in perfect working order. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start putting stuff in boxes, like the inks, you know, all that stuff. I'm gonna start putting squeegees and all that other stuff, getting the screens ready for them to take. That's what I'm gonna be doing. I'm not gonna show you the actual putting down of the machine because, you know, new customers, I kind of respect that about people coming in the business, you know, and not being in the video. So that you won't see none of that. You'll more than likely just see an empty room once they take everything. So let me start putting everything in boxes, squeegees, all that stuff. I'm actually gonna wash some of the screens so they don't have the prints that, you know, that I use right now. So I gotta take all those hats. Like whenever you guys see my lights behind them, behind me, there's a lot of hats and stuff like that. I gotta take all of that down because otherwise the machine is not gonna fit through there. It's pretty cool. So right now it actually feels like I'm moving backwards. So like the business is going backwards instead of growing. It looks like I'm getting rid of so many things that the business is actually getting smaller. That's how it feels like, you know, it feels like I'm moving backwards because we got rid of the embroidery machine. We got rid of some sewing machines that we didn't use, and now we're getting rid of the screen printing. For those of you that do screen printing, you know how much profitable this is. This is probably the part of the business that brings in more money or more profits is a screen printing. But where I'm sitting right now, the building that I'm sitting right now, this is an old house. This house was actually built in 1926. So it's almost 100 years old. It's 97 years old. And as soon as we get rid of this, we're gonna clean this out and we're gonna take this down. We're gonna knock it down and we're gonna rebuild, extending the shop an extra 25 feet. So 25 by 20. So it's gonna be a nice addition. Again, it's already here, but this building is just way too old. We're gonna knock it down so we can put new machines in here. And what's coming for Liberty Graphic Designs, I think is exciting because we're gonna move in a different direction that you guys have no idea, that I don't even have any idea how well it's gonna do or how well it's gonna work. But one of the things that we're gonna bring in is gonna be DTF. DTF, I don't know how soon we're gonna bring DTF. I wanna be up and running, fully running by September, maybe September of next year. Yes, I usually take a little longer because I wanna make sure that everything is working nice and smooth. And capital, there's another thing that we don't have all the capital for all the ideas that we have for Liberty Graphic Designs. And you might say, well, a DTF machine is not that much, but remember, we're gonna knock this down. Remodeling and rebuilding another building, it's not cheap. So we gotta think about that. That's why I say by September of next year, today's December the 18th, 2023. So I wanna give myself about 9 months to have everything up and running, new DTF machines, and then some other machines that I don't wanna bring them up yet. But yeah, those are the plans for Liberty Graphic Designs, because right now it's very shaky, very shaky with all that moving back and forth and selling machines and getting rid of this and getting rid of that. And we're making everything, minimizing or downsizing so much that we're only gonna be offering right now is the cut and sew full sublimation. It's basically the only thing that we're gonna have, and laser work. So which is kind of scary because, you know, I'm used to doing all these different things, and now we're only gonna offer full cut and sew sublimation. And that's a little scary, it's a little shaky, but great things are coming. We always gotta have that mentality that great things, that big things are coming for the business. So let me start putting everything in boxes, so when these people come get here, everything is ready to go, ready to roll, except the machine. Again, the machine will break it down, and I'm sorry you guys won't see that because I don't want to feel these people uncomfortable while we're taking the machines down and, you know, loading them on their trailer and stuff like that. I don't want to do that. But let me start cleaning everything out. I gotta wash the screens that I got right now so they don't take, you know, the screens. Anyways, I'm just gonna clean them out, get them ready to be loaded on the trailer. What is it? 2, 4, 6, 8, 12 gallons of ink. Some of them are not full. Like for example, this one, see, it's up to there right there. It's, I mean, almost full. The bottom ones are full. And this is the emulsion I use. That one, I always put the date on my emulsion because this emulsion lasts about a year, a little over a year. So I always put the date on the emulsion. That way I know when I bought it and when I need to replace it. So that one is, again, you know, it's almost full. You know, quarts like this. Again, they're not full, but they're pretty, still got about 3/4 of the quart. And just like that, I'm left with an empty room. So is it an empty room or is it a blank canvas? I like to think it's a blank canvas. So everything is gone, and screen printing is gone. It actually happened so fast. Right when I was starting to put everything in boxes, they showed up, and like I said, I didn't want to record that, just to, you know, to be respectful, I guess, of the people that bought the equipment. But everything is gone. We don't have screen printing or embroidery anymore at Liberty Graphic Designs. So that means I'm gonna have to remake more business cards because we're not screen printing and embroidery anymore. But like I said earlier, this is this is gonna be there's new things coming for Liberty Graphic Designs. There's more exciting things coming for Liberty Graphic Designs. It's not that, you know, because we got rid of the screen printing and embroidery, it doesn't mean the end of Liberty Graphic Designs. It's just 2024, we're gonna start with bigger and better things, I guess. I guess. So this is gonna be it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. Please stay tuned, because I think that we're gonna do some great things come 2024. I'm actually excited to see what's in store for us. Very excited. So make sure you stay tuned. Hey guys, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel so you can see what's up next. Thank you guys. A pleasure like always. Keep watching. God bless you, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye bye now. Adios. See you later.